Welcome to another edition of Arizona Living. Today, we're gonna check out Avondale. Stay tuned. I used to live in Avondale for about, I don't know, like 5 years, right? So it's been approximately 2 years since I left Avondale. Avondale Boulevard, our next stop. So they have some nice houses out here too. It just, where I was living, and I'll show you in a little bit, it's just kind of ghetto, where I was living at least. So behind me is Avondale Raceway. Twice a year, NASCAR comes to town and the entire city is engulfed with NASCAR fans. I don't know if you could hear it, but I wasn't kidding. I really do hear a rooster. There's a rooster crowing over here in the background. You can't really hear it now. I'm not kidding. It was going crock-a-doodle-doo, for reals. So this is the fries I sometimes talk about that I refer to as the ghetto fries. I mean, it's not that bad, but I wouldn't want to be coming here late at night by myself. Right across the street from Fry's in that corner over there, there was this couple. It was early in the morning. They were commuting to work, and some alcoholic slammed into them going 80 miles an hour, and they both died. So it's actually really sad. There's some flowers always over there in the corner. Now, funny thing about this Burger King right here, there used to be a live chicken running around, like for real, right by the drive-thru, a live chicken. This is where I would get my hair cut back when I had hair. So right behind me is the house that I used to live. It's the one that Sarah had bought foreclosed. It looks exactly how I remember it. The owner, he should be happy with me. He's got like $40,000 worth of equity since he bought the thing. But he don't know I'm here. I didn't exactly ask for permission to come on his property, so I'm on the street, you know. I don't want to get shot. But yeah, that's the house right there, guys. We're going to the Avondale City Center. Let me explain. So we're at the Avondale City Center. When they were first building this thing, I thought it was going to be a movie theater. As it turned out, it's like sports stuff. You know, they got tons of basketball courts in there, and they do soccer, all sorts of stuff like that. And on the far corner of the building are the restaurants. So I'm still at that Avondale City Center thing, and look what I found. I found this rock by a trash can, and look, there's a note. Share on Surprise AZ Rocks, or keep or re-hide. Hashtag AZ Rocks with a little Facebook logo. That's pretty cute, huh? I think I'm gonna take the rock. I believe the center of Avondale is this gas station / car wash on 99th. And so I'm gonna take you guys there, get some gas, and show you the heart of Avondale. They actually have a Phoenix Children's satellite hospital here. It's not a big, huge hospital. It's more like an urgent care. So right now we're on McDowell and 101st Avenue. There's lots of restaurants. There's a Costco over here. So between this specific area and Dysart, that's pretty much where we did the majority of our shopping. And right here, this is 99th Ave. And as promised, right here on the corner, you have this car wash / gas station, and that's pretty much the center of Avondale. Avondale is right next to Tullison. Sorry I didn't wash my windows. Maybe I'll get a car wash over there. That's like a full service car wash. I don't want to do all that. I'm cheap. I only like to get the $3 car washes. Yeah, see, they're a full service car wash. I don't want to do that. So guys, I just got home from that whole Avondale tour, and I couldn't really talk too much in the car. Rory, get over here. So I just wanted to tell you why I really left Avondale and my overall thoughts about Avondale. See, this little kid, I didn't want her to go to a school that was a 4, right? Plus, it's not as developed. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with Avondale. There's certain things I actually miss. I miss the commute. The commute going from Avondale to Phoenix, so much better than driving from Gilbert to Phoenix, I'll tell you that. But if I was single, I didn't have a kid, nothing wrong at all with living on the west side. And could I have looked into alternative schools? Yes, I could have. But I just really wanted a better life for this one, which is why we ended up moving to the east side in Gilbert. So Rory, I found this rock on top. Why is your face all, you gotta clean your face, oh maron. So I found this rock on top of a trash can where we used to live in Avondale at the city center. So do you wanna keep it or you wanna rehide it? What do you think? Keep it. You sure you don't want to rehide it? Look, it's pretty. Look, it has a flower on it. Maybe we'll put it in our new yard. What do you think? I didn't show you guys the new yard. So I'm going to show you the yard, and Rory's going to put the rock somewhere. That's where you're going to put it for now? Right there? Okay, it's pretty. It's nice. So here we got the fake grass. We're eventually going to get a little fence for the dogs so they stay on their side. And we got the paver situation here. And we weren't anticipating this, but we actually had to make a dip right by the door here. Rory has something she wants to tell me. What?
The trash can stinks.
The trash can stinks inside the house?
Mm.
So why are you telling me? You want me to throw it away?
Yeah.
How come I always have to throw things away?
Because Mommy doesn't want to do it.
See what I have to deal with here? You see, I always have to throw everything away. So that concludes another edition of Arizona Living. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know below what are your thoughts about living on the west side. Till next time.